Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In just a few minutes, we'll guide you through the process of integrating bright data proxies with FoxyProxy. Let's dive right in. First, let's get acquainted with FoxyProxy. FoxyProxy is a powerful tool for Chrome and Firefox that makes it easy to manage and switch between proxy servers. Unlike other plugins, it uses the Chrome Proxy API and offers a one-click switch option. Now let's get into the steps to integrate bright data proxies with FoxyProxy. First, go to your bright data dashboard and click on Create a Zone. Choose the type of proxy you want to set up. In our example, we'll demonstrate Data Center Proxy Setup. Moving on, name the zone and select your IP type. Choose from shared proxies, dedicated proxies, or premium IPs. Next, choose the country and city. Then the number of IPs you'll be using. Review your plan and click Add. So how do you integrate the FoxyProxy Google Chrome extension with bright data proxies? Let me show you how. You'll need to grab the FoxyProxy extension. No worries, it's just a quick download from the Chrome Web Store. Once it's installed, click on Options. Now head over to Proxies tab, look for the Add New Proxy button, and click on it. Then choose Manual Proxy Configuration. This gives you the power to set up your bright data proxies exactly the way you want. Now for the nitty-gritty. Under Host, type in brd.superproxy.io, and for port, put in 22225. Easy, right? Now don't forget to check the Save Login Credentials box. This keeps everything handy for you. Copy the username and password from your Bright Data Zone access parameters, head to the Authentication tab and paste your credentials. Click Save and we're almost there. Now click on the FoxyProxy extension icon, select Use Proxy, brd.superproxy.io 22225 for all URLs. And last but not least, open your target website and take a peek into the Bright Data event log to make sure everything's running smoothly. And that's a wrap. You've seamlessly integrated FoxyProxy with bright data proxies. Now that you've mastered Chrome, let's discuss how bright data proxies integrate with the FoxyProxy Firefox extension. Grab the FoxyProxy Firefox extension, head to your favorite add-on store and download it. Once it's ready, click on Options. Inside Options, hit the Add button to set up your proxy. Give your proxy a title and select the proxy type that suits your needs best. Now it's time to enter the proxy IP address, which is brd.superproxy.io. Then enter the port number, which is 22225. Copy the username and password from your Bright Data Zone access parameter settings and hit Save. Time for the magic switch. Click on the FoxyProxy Firefox extension icon and switch to your Bright Data proxy. Finally, open your target website and check if the same URL is registered in the Bright Data event log. You're all set. Now you know how to seamlessly integrate bright data proxies with the FoxyProxy Firefox extension. And there you have it. Following these simple steps, you can successfully integrate bright data proxies with FoxyProxy. Ready to start using bright data proxies with FoxyProxy? Start a free trial at brightdata.com today.